I made my diorama out of a shoebox, foil, salt dough, and paint. The features shown in my diorama are the trenches, abyssal plain, seamount, volcanic island, mid-ocean ridge, continental slope, and continental shelf. The three main regions of the ocean floor are the continental margins, the abyssal plains, and the mid-ocean ridges. The leading edge of the continental, where it is crushing into an oceanic plate, is considered an active continental margin. The continental shelf on the margin is narrow to non-existent. It drops off quickly in the depths of the subduction trench. The active side tends to have cliffs, rocky terrain, and short rivers. On the passive side of the margin, the plates are moving away from each other. The change in the land formation on the passive side is caused by the weathering and erosional processes. On this side, there is no collision or subduction happening and the minimal tectonic activity. The coastal areas on the side tend to have low and flat land extending in both directions of the beach. The continental shelf is wide and composed of sedimentary debris. One can also find long, winding rivers on the passive margin. On the active margins, the oceanic plate is being forced under the continental plate. This process causes volcanoes. When two oceanic plates collide, one buckles under the other, causing volcanoes and seamounts to arise. Some of these will grow large enough to be volcanic islands. When two ocean plates move away from each other, it causes ocean ridges. Where crustal plates collide and plunge back into the mantle, ocean trenches form.